Folks, welcome back to ET Indian channel, and today I present to you protein rich, full of fiber, really easy and flavorful quick masala chicken dish. Masala chole gets ready in no time. Let's get started. Heat a pot. Once the pot is hot, add in oil for cooking, 2 to 3 tablespoons, and then in this hot oil we will add in 1 teaspoon each of cumin, mustard and fennel seeds. That's jeera, saunf and rye. Look how beautifully our seeds are sizzling. They are giving the flavor to the pot. In this we are adding chopped onions, red onions, or if you don't have them, whichever ones you use, ginger and garlic grated. You can also use ginger garlic paste. Let's thoroughly mix these ingredients. Onions will become a little softer. Spices are releasing their flavor into the oil. We are going to add in some salt, chili powder and turmeric. Salt as per your taste. We are cooking 2 cups of boiled chickpeas, 1 teaspoon each of turmeric and chili powder. You can adjust chili powder. You can use paprika depending on how hot or mild you want your dish to be. You can use canned chickpeas for the dish or simply boil them by soaking them overnight and then pressure cooking them. We are adding 2 tablespoons of tomato paste next to give a little bit more texture, flavor, volume to our dish. You can also use fresh tomatoes. They take a little longer to cook. Give 3-4 minutes to your masala paste, your base, and then add in chickpeas. Let's mix them thoroughly with this masala. Allow all the flavors to combine. Give it 4-5 minutes, and then we will finish off by adding chana masala, chole ka masala. This is just blend of cumin, coriander and some other Indian spices. So teaspoon of chola masala on top, another 3-4 minutes so that chickpeas soak in all the flavors, and then we'll finish it off with dried fenugreek leaves or kasuri methi. Again, beautiful flavor. Just crush it, add it on top, and your dish is ready to be served. You can enjoy it with roti, that's Indian flatbread, with parantha. You can also serve it with rice. Enjoy it on its own. Lovely dish, guys. Got to try it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. I will see you again with another tasty dish. So keep watching ET Indian. Stay home, stay safe, and enjoy your day. Thanks, guys.